CSP Battery Company introducing the MO18030, a high-performance 180V 30A manual battery charger, specifically designed to charge multiple lead-acid batteries up to 180V continuously. It's the ideal solution for those that require efficient battery maintenance on a large scale. This charger requires 220V electrical input. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of adjusting the time, voltage, and amperage settings to match according to the battery situation. Let's get started. In this video, we are using 6 individual 12-volt Optima batteries. Each battery capacity is 58Ah. First, connect the batteries in series connections. Connect the one battery positive pole to the other negative battery pole. In charging process, it's very important to have the same company, same manufacture date and capacity batteries for optimal and balanced charging. To use this charger correctly, it's important to check the battery's condition, including its voltage and capacity. These two factors help decide how long to charge and how much power to use. Adjusting the time and current based on the battery's state ensures better charging results. For your information, this charger comes with inbuilt time and current setting table parameter. Check the battery's voltage. Battery current voltage is 11.4 and another is 11.9. Batteries are lower than 11.99 voltage. According to the inbuilt charging parameter guide, these batteries required 4 current amperage for 18 hours. Here are the general steps. Connect the charger with series connected batteries. Turn on the AC and DC switch. When AC is on, the indicator turn, and then when DC is turned on, the voltage of the batteries will show in the voltage meter in the charger. At first, set the timer at low number to see the battery's condition. We will set at 2 hours. Then set the current level at 1. Next, slowly increase the voltage until the ampere reaches into the aiming number. In our case, our aiming number is 4 because our battery required 4 amperages according to the state of our battery. Now the current meter is higher than we need, so reduce the voltage 1 step down. When the voltage is down, amperage meter is down too. So then slowly increasing the current knob until it reaches to the aiming number. Now it reached the aiming number of current 4 amperage. Then set the timer on as it required. Our battery's charging process is started. It's important to check the temperature of the batteries every hour to prevent overheating. The lower the battery voltage, the longer it takes to fully charge. High charging current may reduce charging time, but it must be managed carefully to prevent battery damage. During the charging process, when the voltage increases, the current will drop down. So at that point, it's necessary to increase the current to keep the charging standard consistent as required. If the voltage remains below 12.8V after charging, repeat the same charging settings again until it is fully charged. The important thing to keep in mind that if the batteries are connected in less number, it will be hard to precisely find the correct charging current. In such cases, if it's impossible to set the exact target current, so in this case, adjust the charging current slightly above than the target. In this way, you can charge your multiple batteries following the parameter table given in the chargers. Main key keep in mind is that the current battery voltage and capacity of the battery is the key factors to set the time and current as battery needs. For more information, visit our website or contact us through email, WhatsApp, or any other social media platforms.